Here we have two different types of mulches. And the first one is Green Goodness by Caledonian Horticulture. You can see how much that's composted down and how light and fluffy it is. I'm going to put this over my borders. It's going to really help in developing the structure of my clay soil on a new build property. Worms are going to help with this. They're burrowing channels. They're going to go and take this down, and it's going to really help break up the clay soil. It's going to help with nutritional value as well. It's going to keep the soil really nice and rich, especially where all my herbaceous plants are going to be putting on a lot of growth soon. So this will be laid right across the borders. Afterwards, I'll put some of this on, and this is wood chip. This again, like the Green Goodness, is going to help with the retention of water in the soil, the retention to keep everything moist underneath, but also help with suppressing any sort of weeds as well. As an added bonus, placing this on your borders will make it look really nice as well. So it will give a real decorative finish. So these are my cottage borders, and the soil is really heavy. You can see it here, I've got some, and if I roll it together, it creates like a ball like this. That is clay soil. I'm going to put down some of the Green Goodness. If I remove that, I could probably do this and then gently spread that around the borders like that. And a bit more over here and a bit over there. I can go over all this later, but for now, this is going to help protect all the root system as well, especially in changing weather. Once I've done that, I'm going to take some of the wood chip right here and put it on top like so. Just gently, making sure it's not too thick because I'm doing 2 layers, so it doesn't want to be too thick. So just spread it around. But over time, over this growing season, a lot of that Green Goodness will be taken down into the soil and will be left with this layer of wood chip on top.